this, that, these, those. These are known as demonstratives. Demonstratives are used to point to specific people or things. This and that are singular, so we're referring to one person or thing. These and those are plural, so we're referring to more than one person or thing. This and these refer to things that are close. We can think of them as being here, whereas that and those refers to things that are far away, so we can think of them as being there. This is singular. For example, I like this apple. That is singular. For example, I like that apple. These is plural. For example, I like these apples. Those is plural. For example, I like those apples.